Hello everyone, welcome you all on the Knowledge Pivot channel. This video is the part 5th of the GS series that I started for the RRB NTPC exam. Question number 1 is, the planet Mars is also known as, so this planet is also known as red planet. Correct answer option number C. Next question is, what is the common name of the solution of calcium hydroxide? The chemical formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH2 and it is commonly known as lime water. Next question is, Smiling Buddha was the code name for. So Smiling Buddha was the code name for India's first nuclear test, which was held in Pokhran in 1974. Question 4th is, Jantar Mantar in Delhi is historically important for. So Jantar Mantar is an astronomical observatory which is constructed by Maharaja Jai Singh of Jaipur in 1724. Correct answer is option number D. Next question is, Bharat State Emission Standards refers to. So these refers to the vehicular pollution. These are instituted by the Government of India to regulate the output of air pollutants from the motor vehicles. Next question is, Kyoto Protocols. This protocol is an international treaty to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions, and its first meeting was held in Japan and it was also adopted in Japan. Question 7th is, the multitasking system specifically refers to. So it refers to having the multiple programs, processes, tasks, threads which are running at the same time. So the correct answer is option number B. More than one process. Next question is, the Chief Election Commissioner of India can be removed from the office by. So he can be removed from the office by the parliament with a 2/3 majority in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Question 9th is, Syed Modi International Grand Prix Golf Championship is held every year at. So this tournament held every year at the Babu Banarsi Das Indoor Stadium, which is in Lucknow, UP. Question number 10th is, name the first woman to head a paramilitary force. So she was Archana Ramasundaram. Next question is, who was known as Badshah Khan? So Abdul Ghaffar Khan is known as Badshah Khan. Which month received the lowest rainfall in the year? So it's August. Question number 13th is, saffron, which is also known as kesar, is produced in large scale in. So it is produced in Jammu and Kashmir. The political system in Afghanistan is known as, so it is known as Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, consisting of legislative, executive and judiciary system. The Constitutional Assembly adopted the Indian national flag on the 22nd of July 1947 and our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. So when milk becomes sour, dash is produced. So when milk becomes sour, the lactic acid is produced. So in curd, the lactic acid is present. Next question is, yellow fever is mainly transmitted among humans by, so it is transmitted by a female mosquito named Aedes aegypti. The Victoria Falls are on the river. So the Victoria Fall is in the river Zambezi, which is found in South Africa. Question 19th is, what happens in an oxidation reaction? So in an oxidation reaction, the loss of electrons take place, whereas in reduction reaction, the gain of electron takes place. Who was the first chairman of ISRO? So Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was the first chairman of ISRO, and Homi Bhabha founded the BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The popular Yankee Stadium in USA is located at, so the stadium is located at New York City. Question 22 is, an electric motor converts. So an electric motor converts the electrical energy into a mechanical energy, and a generator does the opposite. A generator converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Next question is, when the car takes a bend, the force that pushes us to the outside of the curve, this force is known as centrifugal force, and it is applied towards outside. The Prime Minister is the ex officio president of, so he is the ex officio president of CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Question number 25th is, the name of the newest Antarctica research base commissioned in 2015 is, so its correct answer is option number C, Bharati. Next question is, which organ is not a gland? So glands are the tissues in our body which produces and release some substances. Here gallbladder is not a gland because it stores bile and does not produce any substance, whereas all the three produces and stores substances. Question 27 is, who was conferred the Arjuna Award for wrestling in 2015? So the correct answer is Babita Kumari. She is from Haryana. So question 28 is, every set in the dotted decimal format of IP address is called, so it is called as octet. So correct answer option number B. Next question is, the Hornbill festival is celebrated in, so it is celebrated in Nagaland. Question 30th is, which aircraft carrier was formally inducted into the Indian Navy by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2014? The correct answer is INS Vikramaditya. Thank you. For more such videos, please like and subscribe.